Hey, welcome back to CGR. So here we are on part 2 of the Bill Conch safe. If you haven't seen part 1, check it out. It's right above here in the right corner or left corner. We'll have a pop-up, or check below. You can see the part 1 full unboxing. This one is more for the Bluetooth, and the first part we've gone over. It comes with the safe, how to set up some like the password, admin password, and fingerprints. This part's more for like the app usage and how to use it, how to set it up. So if you have Android or iOS, you will look up look up the app called Bill Conch, exactly how it is spelled out in the safe. And actually looks like that, Bill Conch right there. So on the manual, when you first open it up, it'll look exactly like that, and then it'll be a Bill A, basically it'll look up anything in Bluetooth, but it'll be under Bill A. Once you click on it, it's going to ask for your administrative password. If you have not changed your administrative password, because the default administrative password is 6 zeros, that is your password. So here I am opening it up, and it's going to automatically connect by itself because I already connected to it. So here we can see our battery percentage. I could search for another save, so I could actually buy more saves and have them all in here. I could go into settings, or what's cool about it, it'll give you my percentage, and I could do this. That's pretty cool. For the price this safe is, you cannot beat the features that this safe has. It is unbelievable, half the things that this safe can do for the money that other safes that are just 4 number passcodes can barely do. So I honestly, check this out. This is the older version. Like I said, they do have a newer version. It's got a few things here and there. I didn't need that. This was enough for me. So I went with the older version. I got it on sale, and I think when I bought it, it was like $70. So what's cool about that is everything you could do on there, you could do on the app. Example, if I go to settings, I could enter by my admin password, or I can enter by admin fingerprint. It's gonna tell me put my fingerprint. So obviously I didn't do it right. See? So accepted it. And on here, I could change stuff. I could change the device name, which I changed it to bedroom. And another thing that I like the most, honestly, is I could check on here on unlock history. And it literally shows me every time this was open. It can even show you, see on the corners, it shows you that was opened by Bluetooth. It'll show you that it was opened, see, by password. It'll show you time. So like it shows you when somebody opened it. See, that was opened by fingerprint, so on and so on. So that's cool. Now you could actually double check on your app, like, did anybody open up your safe? And then when you go back, you could actually add fingerprints. So I actually put mine again. I labeled it under Jesus, but here we go. I can actually add a fingerprint. So let me go to add a fingerprint. So I'll just put same. I'll just do like Jesus 2 for another finger. I can hit next, and then when I hit add fingerprint, it's gonna light up there. See? So I'm gonna add it. I'll do this finger. Now that fingerprint's added. See? Successfully added. Continue to add more. You can hit OK and you can add more. You can name them. And I could go back. I could go back. So you can see I got all my fingerprints. I'll just go back. Sorry, I can't do it with the phone in my way. So I can honestly open it with the fingerprint I just did. Right? Now close it. And we can go back to check unlock history. And it's right there. So shows that I opened it by fingerprint. So that's pretty cool. Honestly, that is worth every dollar that this safe is for what you get. Very easy manual to understand. It's nice, heavy. You get your nice 2 set of keys. You get it's just rechargeable. You don't need batteries. If the battery dies, you got your key. Open right up. You got your keypad for your password. You can add up to 40 fingerprints. For $70, I don't know what other safe. It's padded from the inside. It's got an LED light. For $70, anybody that's looked at gun safes, your options are very limited, honestly. The upgraded version, I think, is about $100. It's a little bigger, and they do have a lot of more stuff on here. You have the app for Android. You have the app for iOS. You can unlock it with Bluetooth, like I said. You know, hold on, let me unlock my phone. Like I said, I'll just go to my BuildConch app. And then, you know, you can not even touch the safe at all. You can just open it on your phone and do this. Nice LED. And, I mean, where else could you do that? Look at how fast that is. That's, see? I mean, you cannot beat that, guys. I am telling you. You can see how much battery you got. It's portable. You can mount it. Honestly, $70, even if it was 80, even if it was 85, 90, it is worth the money. For what you are getting, you are not going to find anything close enough to what the features this thing has alone. It's worth it. And once again, yes, you have all these features, but the major part is your handgun is going to be stored safe. You could check who unlocked it. You could set who can unlock it. You could give the password to who you want. It's worth the money, guys. Honestly, I bought this for me. I do reviews. Anything I buy, I do reviews on what I think is good, and so that you guys could check it out. They did not send this safe out to me. I'm doing this on my own. Check on the link. Actually, not in the link, but in the info below on the description, I will have a direct link to the same one I purchased. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I do types of things like this. Unfortunately, sometimes I can't post every time I can because, like, once again, I said I purchase these things on my own. It'd be awesome if companies sent me a bunch of stuff and I could review it. That'd be great. But we're slowly growing. We'll slowly get there. But for now, this is a 100%, 10 out of 10. I'd buy it. I recommend it. It's worth the money. You're not gonna, like I said, you're not gonna regret it. You do not need a even handgun for this. You can store money, money, passports, social security, anything you think of importance, you put it in there. It's worth the money. It's gonna be on there. And really not much else to say about the safe. It's good. Check it out. It's on Amazon Prime. You get it. Actually, from where I got it on 1-day shipping. So I ordered it. Next day it was here. So check them out. Check them out on Amazon, Bill Conch. And here's their website. I honestly would, I just rather order it from Prime because, you know, I'm a Prime customer and it's going to get here in 2 days. So why not? So worth the money. Check it out, guys. Other than that, I am out and I will catch you guys on the next video.